Hi and welcome to my playhouse and to sunny Portugal. The sun is right in my face, so very sunny. Look what just dropped in. This is from Reolink, but this part is not sponsored because I purchased this myself. I thought I made a deal with Reolink last time I did a video, and they were supposed to send me a solar panel for the camera that I was reviewing, but it didn't make it. I think they forgot or something. So today we're gonna mount this solar panel. We'll just go and see where the camera is at. Look at the view, isn't that lovely? Guess who's on vacation? So I mounted a camera last time, and it's a battery driven camera, and the battery lasts about a month. It ran out. I have been away from a little bit more than 2 months, but so yeah, camera is located right there, overlooking the garden. That doesn't look super safe. I think it has moved. So I need to put the solar panel somewhere up there where it will get some sort of sun, because well, if I mount it right there, I'm not sure that it's gonna get enough sun, but it might not care. It might be okay. So we'll look into that. I adjusted the camera yesterday. It took a long time. It was really low. Well, it was at 0. So yeah, this should be Reolink's 6-watt solar panel for exactly this job. So the details are okay. It's 6 volts and 6 volts and 5.8 watts. So we're gonna try and see if we can find a good spot for that. It might just be okay to point this way. Yeah, I'll have a look. So let's start with the box here. It has some paperwork. I'm not expecting anything. It's a solar panel, so yeah. We have a mounting thing, so you can put that where you want it, and you will know exactly where the holes go. And then there's operational instructions. Yeah, it's not. It has one wire, and it goes into the camera. So, but it has a lot of accessories. So it has a plenty long wire for my needs for sure, and it has a nice mounting bracket there, so you can mount it to something, and you can have it sticking out in some direction. I'm not sure if we're probably gonna mount this. We'll put that in, and we tighten this, and we tighten this, and this. Okay, it's good enough. Okay, there, the panel is good, so we'll probably go that way. So you get the idea. It's a tiny solar panel on a mount that you can mount anywhere, so that solar panel will be pointing in the right direction. Yeah. Other than that, that's it. We have a strap, so you can strap it to a tree or something else. There is a bracket that goes in here. Not entirely sure for what, but it does. Yeah. There's another piece of foam thing here that also goes in the back. Very nice to not have insects in there, probably. Okay, cheated. The bracket that goes inside is if you wanna strip it to a tree, then you need that bracket so that the thingy will go in there. So yeah, naturally, I didn't think of that. Then there is a converter cable, because Reolink's older cameras used a micro USB port, and today they use USB-C, so you can put your USB-C in there and you can pop that into the camera. If you have an older one, the one we're adding a solar panel to is the newer one, so we don't need this one. Then we have different screws to go into the wall and also to mount that plate on the bottom of it. So yeah, that is about it. I think that was everything. Okay, oh, somebody needs to go and remove the brambles again. I just did this. They grow so quickly, bastards. So we're going up the ladder here. Hang on. So I decided to put the solar panel back here, up there. I can't see where I'm pointing. Yeah, you can see the 3 holes that are drilled, and I'm gonna put the Rauplugs in now. I forget the word in English, but yeah, we're gonna see if they'll go in. I just did a video earlier today about my new Ryobi hammer drill, which is not this one. This is the smaller one, but for this sort of work on a ladder and up there, I can tell you a smaller SDS hammer drill also has its place. So that was very nice, and it did the job. It was an awkward way of working, but somebody forgot the screwdriver, so somebody needs to go get that. Okay, screws. We need to put that one in. We need to climb higher. Oh, we're already too high here. One loosely in. One more loosely in. So just tighten that. There, mount the solar panel on top of that. Okay, so we are living on the edge here. So let's go check what we did. I connected the camera here, so that is in. Maybe we can straighten it even. And the panel is in up here, and the wire could use a zip tie or something, but that didn't come in the package. And there's a TV antenna up here that I really should do something else with, but never mind. Okay, let's see if it worked out. Oh yeah, that's me on my phone. And why do I have a picture of me on my phone? Well, if someone finds my phone, it's very clear whose phone this is. Here are the cameras. That's the one that we just mounted, and it says that it's charging up there, which is very nice. So we can go in, we can see it's looking at the area there, and if we put it around, we get a bigger picture of what's going on outside, including my pool project that I need to go and work a little bit on. So there's that. So there is a little setting up here. We can see that Actually it was at 93% when I was messing with this, and now it has charged the battery up to 100% with that solar panel, so it is clearly working. I had this camera charging up most of yesterday, and I managed to get it from 0% to 99%, and then I gave up and I went out and I hanged it there. But now it's on 100%, so that is awesome. So we have successfully installed the solar panel, and I have also put a SD card in it. I put a 32GB SD card in it so that it also has a bit of storage. And you just saw the model number of it, but here it is again. It's the Argus 4 Pro, kindly sent to me by Reolink. So this was definitely sponsored last time. They just forgot to send me the solar panel, so I had to get that myself. They also sent me the Reolink hub, which I haven't used for anything yet, so I thought we should try and connect that. So I was so stupid when I unboxed this that I opened the bottom of it. So I don't know if that was wrong, but apparently let's see if we get everything. I'm missing the SD card that would come with this thing, and I don't know where it's at, but I've been through everything, so I'm actually gonna see if they have hidden it on the top. I don't think so, but scissors. No. We do get a power supply, and we do get a cable. Reolink. And in here is the unit itself. It has 2 slots for micro SD cards, but nothing in them. And I also have looked in here, and I haven't found anything either here. There is a pokey thing for the reset button, but yeah. So I managed to find some Hewlett-Packard ones that wasn't doing anything else, so we're gonna put a couple of those in. It's not worth much if you can't store anything on it. So there. So unfortunately, without the internet, there is not much enjoyment out of this home hub. So we're gonna have to get back to this. But thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again. And have a really nice day. Bye bye.